Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, sick review right here. This is a sneaker that really started it all in terms of sneaker collecting, just the hype for shoes. This is really one of the first ones, or the first one, that really got that hype, and, well, everything started. So, what we got right here is the 1985 Air Jordan 1 Breads, or the 85 Breads. Of course, this is a retro. This is not a pair from 1985, but you can see all the details that they have coming with them. It's just like it. So we'll get into it and reviewing this recent release that was very hard to get. No, I did not hit these for retail. I wish I did, but I thought I'd keep it honest with you guys. I did not, you know, but we did get a few, and if anybody needs one, hit me on my Insta below. I'll see if I got your size. Let's get into it. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's just try and hit 300 likes in this video. Lets me know y'all want more unboxings. We'll do some B-roll shots for these, and you know, we'll just show you all the up-close details and things they come with, since they come with actually a few things. So I'll show y'all all those. My Instagrams are also below if you ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me. Again, if anybody needs a pair of these. Any of the other recent releases, University of Blue SBs, a few other ones that got some old releases like April SBs, Future SBs, Verdi SBs. Just check my story. Let me know. We got a lot of things, clothing too, so hit me up. And of course, that's a resell vision down below. Don't forget the undermarket sneakers we do every single day there, and also the early information we provide, stock numbers on sneaker releases, etc. Don't miss out. We provide stuff every single day in there. That's it. I hope y'all will enjoy. And why don't we get into reviewing, well, the 85 Breads. These are sick. So I'll show you all the pair in a second. We showed you all it briefly here, but I want to show you all the box. So first things first with the box, again, normal Jordan 1 box, nothing really out of the ordinary. That didn't, you know, change it up or do anything different here. Here's the size tag as well. Y'all can see this is a good size. This is a good size, but this is for one of my members in Resell Vision. Shout out to somebody in there. Won them for like 20 bucks or like 40 bucks or 60. It was out of 20 or 60 bucks. So shout out to someone that won them for that low price. We will definitely do another raffle. But also, it comes with this bag right here. I don't want to mess it up, so I'll definitely make sure to fold it back up for my buyer. But yeah, y'all can see. I mean, check this out. Comes with the bag also. So it is clear. It is, you know, see-through. So obviously, make sure you're putting the right stuff in there. But yeah, that's what I can say. A little see-through Jordan bag that also comes with it. So that was kind of cool. But aside from, you know, the small accessories box, I want to show you all the actual pair here. So, okay, extra laces. All right, so here's what we got with this sneaker. So we got some red and black laces, basically. Those are the two ones we got. How I got that, or came to that conclusion, well, you can just look right here on the toe box. So those are the two laces we got, red and black. I'm not seeing any other extra laces here. Let me tuck this in, but yeah, I'm not seeing any other extra laces at the moment. Yeah, so just red and black laces. But aside from that, you guys can see a little Jordan tag that it comes with. So you guys can see that's MJ. Y'all can see what pair does he have on right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I believe these actually the black toes that he has on, not these. So those recently dropped as well. Very, very cool pair right there with the hidden signature, things like that. I'm definitely going to be picking those up in a couple weeks. But y'all can see on the inside of the tag what it says right here. Just some details, again, about the Air Jordan 1 High. So that's pretty cool. Show y'all that up close. Really well done. Again, I like things like this. They like show you about the sneaker, some details, like how it was made. This is always cool to me. So I like seeing that. And again, little MJ design, so that was pretty cool. And it was also cool to see the guy that won this pair said he was going to put him straight to feet. So hopefully that's true. You know what I mean? I like to see somebody toe these because obviously a very, very hard pair to get. You know, I'll try and probably go back and, you know, scoop my personal in a few weeks, but it's just a very expensive pair. You know what I mean? So it's not one of those ones that I'm like, all right, boom, just bought them. You know what I mean? It's like, hold up. How much does that cost? You know what I mean? Like, you got to kind of, it's one of those pairs you got to save for a bit, if that makes sense. But aside from that, again, let me show you all the actual sneaker. I'm going to grab the other one right here to actually show you all the details of the shoe, because the other one has a tag. It just kind of blocks it a bit. Very cool part, though. But again, the laces we got, y'all can see also the insole right there. Just a red Nike Air logo. There it is. So y'all can see that. That's all we got in the insoles, nothing else. And the laces right there. There's the Nike Air tag, as y'all can see. Let me tuck that back in. With the 85s, you know what I mean? It's a bit longer, so yeah, just, you know, sometimes it sticks out a bit, but y'all can see that right there. And of course, that classic colorway right there, that bread colorway. So you guys can see the black and red, how that all matches together. The Wings logo. With the recent black toe reimagines, we just had the Air Jordan logo where it actually spells it out instead of having it kind of on this like logo format. So I know a lot of people are not a fan of that. I don't mind it. I really don't. Actually, story, one of the first Jordans I ever bought was like a orange, and they looked like the shatter backboards, but they obviously were not the shatter backboards. And yeah, basically had that like orange and black. They had that Air Jordan logo. And that colorway. But that's basically what I'm trying to say. I don't mind it because one of the first Jordans I ever got had that. So for me, the black toes, I like them. You know what I mean? They're cool with the box, with the hidden signature, everything they come with. It's like, if you're a sneakerhead, those are dope. But you know, there's been other ones. Maybe you're more focused on these. I can totally understand that. Of course, the soles we got on them, no like aged look or anything. But man, you can never go wrong with like that white, black, and red. How that all hits together. You know what I mean? Just really, really, really works together. You know what I mean? It all fits well. There we go. That's what I meant to say. Y'all can see the toe box we got. That leather right there as well. So that's pretty nice. All set together really well there. Y'all can see also back there by the heel what we got. So that's also pretty cool. Y'all can see. Oh, well, I guess not pretty cool. But you can see the build we got, right? It's not anything like on it, right? But again, here's both the sneakers together. Very well done. So for me, I mean, these are a cop. I mean, this is like the start of the sneaker game, you know what I mean? So if you don't like these, it's like, all right, that's cool. You know what I mean? It's like no big deal. But you got to at least appreciate them, in my opinion, you know? Because like this is, again, pretty much where it all started, you know, because keep in mind all the talk that these got, and, you know, I mean, you probably saw it on the recent Nike ad. Nike didn't pay the money, right, for the, you know, Jordan basically be allowed to wear them on the court, and that caused that whole fuss, and then that basically created a lot of hype to get them, because there was all the talk about, hold up, why can't he wear them? And then, you know, everyone went out the way to go get the pair, and yeah, they ended up being, you know, hard to get, or I guess not hard to get, because it wasn't like a resale thing, right? But yeah, you know, a lot of people were definitely started looking for Jordans, so yeah, little story right there. Maybe that's accurate. Of course, some of my OGs down below, feel free to comment on your experience, because some of y'all were probably actually there back in the day for, you know, the start of, you know, this sneaker and just, you know, more Jordans. You know, you probably just started seeing the sneaker game form from the ground up. So if you've been there since then, full respect. And yeah, obviously, this is a really cool pair. Definitely one that you probably have wanted, and of course, a very, very expensive one. I wish Nike would have made more of these. They were able to make, you know, a million of the black toes, but they weren't able to make, you know, a bunch of these. Come on, Nike. You know what I mean? They definitely could have done better. But I totally understand making these a bit more limited and hard to get. You know, it is a very special pair with the history and name behind it. And, of course, all the details that we got with this one right here. So, of course, when we get into some B-roll shots, again, show you all the bag, box, everything these come with. And, you know, just with some better lighting, better shots. You know what I mean? Just without me talking over it, you know what I mean? So, and of course, if you want to know what the resale for right now when I'm making this video, February 2025, I know some of y'all may be watching later on, and the prices may be different, but it's $500 to $600 at the moment, so just keep that in mind. That's about what you'll probably be paying for a pair of these. But aside from that, let's get into those B-roll shots and the outro. Let's go. Oh, and I don't know if I forgot to show this, but like the inside of the sneaker, there you go. Y'all can see that right there. So it looks like a regular pair of ones, but you know what I mean. If you know, you know. So let's go. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I need to say right here for this review of, well, the Jordan 185 Breads. I mean, again, this is a dope sneaker that we saw this year. I mean, when we first saw it previewed last year, I think a lot of people were really hyped for it. You know, started seeing pairs leaking out, saw some of those early prices, which were absolutely nuts. I mean, $1,200 for these. I mean, yes, they will be there down the line. But right now, I mean, again, there's like a lot of pairs out there on the market. Or more pairs out there on the market, right? Not a lot. I mean, if there was a lot, they'd be going for less, right? But that's what we could say. You know, we don't really need to dive into the pricing and all that on them. But a really cool pair, all the small details. I mean, the OG tag, you know, the details on the inside there, right? Quick little focus there. And, of course, the actual sneaker, which looks really good. I like them. I mean, again, a very wearable colorway. People love ones. I mean, not all ones are flipping, right, like these. But, I mean, if you look at how often they sell, people love Jordan 1s. Very, very popular models. So that's what we can say about this one. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below for more sneaker unboxings. And let me know how y'all are feeling about this one in the comments. And again, you can check me on my IGs down below. Us at Resale Vision. If you just want to see what I got for sale on my Instagram, see some of the stuff I post. Or, you know, you want to check us down below at Resale Vision. The early information, stock numbers on sneaker releases, under market kicks we're doing every single day. That's down below in the pinned comment. Us at Resale Vision. So I just repeated that again. But yeah, that's there. So again, let me know your thoughts on this shoe. I think it's a dope release. I'm really glad that Nike did it, but I wish they made more, you know what I mean? And we didn't even get a sneaker drop in the US like every other region got a sneakers drop but the US, you know what I mean? Like all the big ones but the US. Like really, Nike? Is that what, like, seriously? You know, I don't know why they do that sometimes. They do it to the EU sometimes also, where like every region but the EU will get it. And it's like, why are you leaving out places with a lot of people? You know what I mean? But hey, you know, it's the world. There's people everywhere. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'll catch you all in the next video. Let me know if you copped this one or if you paid resale like me. Because, well, most of us probably did if you got this shoe. So I'll see you all in the next one tomorrow. Catch you guys then. Don't miss out. Peace.